Hello and thanks for stopping by. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be decorating my bar cart for the Christmas season. This is going to be a part of an open collaboration that's hosted each season by two wonderful sisters here on YouTube, Marilyn at It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn and Phyllis over at JRC Restoration Decor and Designs. Now let me go ahead and get started. Please be sure to stick around to the end where I'm going to be sharing a recipe for a eggnog martini. Now, I would like to give a special thanks to Marilyn and Phyllis for hosting this collaboration each season. As I said, these are two wonderful YouTubers here that do home decor, and Phyllis does a lot of DIY. So be sure to stop by each of their channels. I'm going to link them below in the description box. There's also going to be a playlist of other participants who will be sharing their bar carts for the winter Christmas season, so you can get all types of inspiration for that. So thanks again, Marilyn and Phyllis, for hosting this, and let's go ahead and move on over to preparing our cocktail now that we have the bar cart all styled out for the season. Now this is a super easy drink. All you're going to need is some eggnog. I'm using the Southern Comfort eggnog. I'm using some Tito's vodka. I'm using some pure vanilla extract because the recipe actually calls for vanilla vodka. So if you have that, you can use that. If not, just put a little extract in there and you've got it. I'm using cinnamon sticks to garnish it, as well as some ground cinnamon, a nice fancy glass, because you got to have a nice fancy glass when you make a cocktail. All you do is you mix your liquor in here. I am just using a shot glass for the vodka. I'm going to use a cup and a half of the eggnog, and I'm going to use 1/4 of a spoon of the vanilla extract. Now I'm mixing my ingredients here in a measuring cup. Once I have it all in there, I'm going to put it on in the shaker with some ice and then give it a good shake to mix everything up really good, and then you pour it into your glass. I'm going to put my cinnamon stick in there to garnish it and sprinkle just a little bit of ground cinnamon on top just to make it extra fancy. And that is it. That's your cocktail, and it is so good. Very easy. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't leave today without hitting that like button and also the subscribe button if you're not currently a part of the Sister Cousin Lifestyle family. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And if you're a returning family member, thank you so much for coming back by. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope to see you all over here on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.